This right here is the $10,000 steak.
This is a big step up from the $1, $10, $100, $1,000. This one right here is the one.
This is the one.
You gotta get the perfect bite, right?
Caviar, the crab. Salute.
Here we go. Damn.
It's a good dish.
The pure happiness that you get of a bite like that. I don't like swearing ever, but it's fucking good.
$10,000 dish right there.
Good work.
My pleasure, man. I appreciate it. I think we may be putting this on the menu.